Teaching is an art. Teachers' prime job is to ensure quality teaching in the classroom. Students' notebook is one of the best means to observe the effect of your teaching. Hello and welcome to Shaw Learning. Today's video is on how to correct notebooks.
Teacher's job demands a lot of expertise and patience while checking notebooks. Errors are an integral part of the learning process. Generally, when we take a student's notebook for correction, the student's personality reflects in the notebook. A wise student's different subject notebooks appear in a good condition. He maintains a standard format. We find each and every minute detail in the notebook.
Teachers should identify the common errors students make. Here are few correction guidelines for you.
Correction should be done using red pen only. After correction, put your signature and date. Read each and every word carefully while correcting. Underline spelling mistakes and write the correct spelling on the top. Avoid correcting notebooks in your classroom. You might struggle to concentrate fully and may overlook mistakes. Encourage peer corrections. Self-correction is also one of the best ways to encourage children to correct themselves.
A wise teacher usually sensitizes the students for different mistakes in the notebook.
She underlines the incorrect answer and ticks or marks a double line under the error. Do not underline all the mistakes at a time. It may be disheartening and discouraging for some students. They may feel bad and form a negative attitude towards learning and towards doing hard work.
Never just mark the mistakes and leave. Our aim is to make students understand the mistakes. Always mention the correct format and use different color pens to highlight it.
Here, the child has written wrong spelling of the word almost. So, the teacher has encircled the word and wrote the correct spelling in orange color.
Evaluate the cause behind the repetitive mistakes and guide the students accordingly. It will take time, but improvement will definitely be there. A correction record must be maintained by you. It will give you a clear picture of the books corrected in your sections. This way, you can ensure for everyone that there are no delays or lags in the workflow. Here are few tips to maintain correction records.
Maintain a correction record for all your classes. If you teach in 4 sections, then prepare separate correction record for all 4 sections. As you correct the books, give a tick mark or write AB if the child is absent in the sheet. This will help to give a bird's eye view of the notebook correction. Have a look at this record. Here, the teacher has mentioned her grade, section and subject followed by the roll number and names of the students, wherein she mentioned a tick if the notebook was corrected and AB if student was absent. Language teachers must give special focus to spelling, vocabulary and grammar structures. A mathematics teacher must mark it out when numbers are copied wrong. If the final answer is wrong but the steps are correct, mark the final number wrong but tick the statements to show they are correct. Science teachers must highlight the need for underlining keywords, reinforce the importance of drawing neat and labeled diagrams. Social science teachers reinforce the importance of map locating and marking.
Teachers' main goal is to ensure learning. We should help students who were absent from the class for various reasons. Incomplete work must be rechecked after completion even if the student was absent for 1, 2 or 3 days, or a student who is weak or uninterested to write. Ensure that the notebook of such students is completed and checked. If these notebook correction tips helped you, then don't forget to like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel for more and more such videos. Happy teaching!